Now for our first example, a gas canister contains 3.6 liters at a pressure of 1 atm. What will be its volume at a pressure of 2.5 atm? First, let's see the given. For the initial volume or V sub 1, we'll get 3.60 liters. For the initial pressure or P sub 1, we get 1 atm. And for our final volume, final pressure or P sub 2, we get 2.50 atm. The unknown here is the final volume, V sub 2. The solution we will be using will be V sub 1 times P sub 1 is equal to V sub 2 times P sub 2. Now let's substitute. 3.6 times 1 is equal to 2.5 times x, or 3.6 is equal to 2.5x. After calculating, we get 1.44 is equal to x. The answer will be 1.44 liters. Now, let's move on to the other examples using this formula. Now, for our second example, we just need to repeat what we did for the first. So, for the initial volume, we have 5 liters. The initial pressure, we have 3 atm. And for the final volume, we have 2 liters. And now the unknown will be the final pressure. Now substitute. The initial volume 5 multiplied by the initial pressure 3 is equal to the final volume 2 multiplied by the final pressure x. 15 is equal to 2x divided by 2. We get 7.5 is equal to x, or 7.5 atm will be the final pressure. Pantulatan ni Krisha di just lang batik nga sa notification ni natin. that is how we get Boyle's law.